Hey, Jim Parr here. We are going to show you a little hack on silt fence. Silt fence, you always buy it. The first big rain you get, it washes out and falls over. So we had this issue. We had just this one silt fence up here, and you can see all the mud out there in here. So a lot of the water is rushing down this hill that you can see right here. So what we did is we repaired this silt fence, and actually I got that one backwards, but make sure your stakes are facing where the water's coming from. So that's number one, tip number one. And then double up your silt fence. There's no reason that you can't do angles on it, because the first wave of water, we had 2 inches of rain in an hour the other night, and the first wave just knocked it down. So once it gets momentum, water's got a lot of force. So what we did is we basically have our initial level up here. We actually have initial level up there, and then we have a zigzag here. So if the water starts coming down, we can divert it a little bit or slow it down with a triple movement here. And then we've got one layer in front of the other layer there. And make sure you've got your silt fence down, and it's important to even pack some dirt like around this base here, just so that when the water starts coming down, it's not going under your silt fence. So and then we've got another layer going up there. So the whole idea here is when you're working on a slope or dealing with any silt fence, which typically is on a slope, but it can be on a flat surface, you want to create a barrier. So if it breaks the first barrier, you can slow it down. We've got a 10-degree slope here, so obviously water is powerful and moving. So just remember to think about that when you're putting up your silt fence, so that you have those diversions. And you'll see that on roadways where they'll either have the rolls of for blocking the water and slowing it down, or they'll have multiple layers of silt fence. So I just had to do that quick video, even though it's scorching hot and humid out here. I just wanted to show you this so that you can deal with it on your own. The old property owners here had issues with water and erosion, so they sold it. Well, the idea is, you just deal with it. You come up with a solution. Yeah, we got a big rain and it washed out some of the driveway, but who cares? We learned from it, and we learned where we've got to repair and reinforce. So that's important. So take care. Remember to subscribe, hit that like button. Love to see your comments, and we'll see you on the next video.